origin of life. Looking at the pictures of these prehistoric animals, it is difficult to believe that they had once walked on our planet. In fact, the Earth and its numerous life forms were originally different. To understand how life forms were there in primitive Earth, we need to understand how Earth and life on Earth originated several million years ago. The origin of life forms or biodiversity is interlinked with the evolution of the Earth, which is again closely associated with the evolution of the universe. The universe is vast and comprises of many galaxies and is almost 20 billion years old. When the Earth was created, the conditions were high temperatures, volcanic storm, and reducing atmosphere consisting of methane and ammonia. In 1953, an American scientist, Stanley Miller, recreated these conditions in his laboratory. He created an electric discharge in a closed flask containing ammonia, methane, hydrogen, and water vapor at 800 degrees centigrade. He observed the formation of amino acids. Later on, while conducting similar experiments, other scientists observed the formation of pigments, nitrogenous bases, sugar, and even fats. Interestingly, when meteorite content was analyzed, similar compounds were found in them, which proved that similar process occurred in other parts of the universe as well. Thereafter, the theory of chemical evolution was widely accepted. Dinosaur. Dino means terrible and saurus means lizard. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard. This is an Ultimasaurus, which is a hybrid dinosaur. Dinosaur is the name of large extinct reptiles of the Mesozoic era, during which they were the dominant land animals on Earth. The term was proposed as a formal geologic name in 1842 by the British anatomist Sir Richard Owen. Ankylosaurus, which was a heavily armored dinosaur. Paleontologists have divided the dinosaurs into two categories, the Saurischian and the Ornithischian dinosaur. Saurischian dinosaurs are lizard-hipped and Ornithischian dinosaurs are bird-hipped. Dinosaurs became extinct about 65 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period. The Earth was hit by an asteroid or meteoroid or a comet 65 million years ago. But the extinction of dinosaurs is a fascinating topic that will always be in debates and will always make people curious. Extinction is not the end. It's a rule of nature.
Rudra from class 5 and I enjoyed making fossils of dinosaur and projects. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Somesh Mehta from Credonians School, Dhanbad, class 6. In science workshop, we have learned many things and also we have done many things. In this workshop, we have learned how world was created, how dinosaurs came into the world, how dinosaurs extinct. At last, I am going to say that this workshop was very interesting and I enjoyed a lot.
Good morning everyone. I am Amit Tiwari from class 7. My takeaway from science workshop was the things that I learned about dinosaurs. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sakshi Raj from CWS. I have enjoyed the science workshop very much. It was the best. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Ayush Yadav from class 7. I have enjoyed the game and activity in science workshop. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Chandransh Kudisaria from Credonians School Dhanbad, class 6. So today I wanted to tell you about my science workshop which we had some days ago. In that we had lots and lots of fun. So in that we learned about humanity, how human life was created, what are the generations before and after human life, what will come and what were, dinosaurs, fossil fuels and much more things. So we had a lot of fun there. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am and everyone. I am Palak Singh from Credonians School Dhanbad, grade 6, and today I am going to talk about my science workshop of summer vacation. Activity part was really interesting. We made some dinosaurs model and fossils. I'd like to thank Shubhra ma'am to guide me and support me. Thank you everyone.
My takeaway from science workshop is mystery about the Jurassic era and concept of evolution. I have enjoyed it and learned many more new things. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Rudra from class 6. I have joined science workshop very much. It was the best.